Kalari Marm Massage Therapy Vidkal and Akamvidkal. Vidkal and Akamvidkal are the third and fourth leg movements respectively among the 64 leg movement methods of Kalripayattu. These leg movements are helpful to improve the ability to run and walk for longer distances, to strengthen each vertebrae of backbone and legs, and also improves the performance of Ekam Nadi and Puram Nadi, which are known as two important nerves among our nervous system as per Kalari Marm. These two leg movements are vastly used in Verumke or bare hand fighting of Kalripayattu, which are also known as left hand and right hand of Verumke, and makes it very fast, aggressive and effective. Its practice are helpful to improve performance of certain other techniques of Kalripayattu like Otdipongi to Garudanila, Nilampatiyamanu to Kurmavdevu, to improve the curveness and strength while performing Vyalipokam, to improve the perfection of Chilandivadevu, and also to improve the strength of a Touchwadu. Its practice will improve the performance of Marm spots, joints and nerves located at back area and both legs of body, and also to normalize the blood pressure levels related to legs along with the prevention of diseases like varicose vein. The regular practice of these leg movements will also help to recover from obesity, to remove tumors found inside internal organs, to improve performance of the major arteries and veins of heart, to open up more alveolar sacs of lungs, to remove excess fat from abdomen, and to maintain structure of abdominal muscles and rib cage.